Hey folks, and welcome to the latest video in the SAM for IBM Rhapsody series. I'm Andy Lapping, and in this video we'll see how SAM works with domain-specific profiles. SAM understands Rhapsody profiling concepts like new term stereotypes, ownership constraints, and so on. So if your profile is well built, SAM will never try to create an invalid model, and can even help you learn that profile. Now that might be an industry profile like UAF or NAF, or it can be your own custom profile. To demonstrate that, I'm going to use one I built for fun around Star Wars. Here I have a basic UML model that also has SAM loaded. Let's start by asking our AI assistant Claude what Rhapsody profiles are available. SAM now checks both the OM_root and user OM_root folders in the Rhapsody installation and lists the available profiles. And there in that list is our Star Wars profile. So let's first have SAM load it and give us an overview. Now let's see if there are any modeling constraints in the profile. Now I'll make sure that Claude reads the available SAM guidelines first, so it understands how Rhapsody handles modeling constraints. Well, that profile does indeed contain some owner constraints about where model elements are allowed to be placed. It even noted that there are a couple of stereotypes there that are not new terms and instead apply to UML requirements. Now let's have SAM build a sample model using it. Also, we'll make sure it uses each Star Wars concept at least once and doesn't try to add any non-Star Wars elements like UML packages, attributes, and so on. And there it is. A model built solely using a Star Wars domain-specific profile. Using SAM isn't restricted to industry languages like SysML or UML. You can include your own domain-specific profiles, workflow documentation, and even helpers for SAM to invoke to build models in the way that you want. Well, that's it for this video. Over the course of the series, we'll explore the other use cases and capabilities of SAM for IBM Rhapsody. But for now, thanks for watching.